Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing very well. Today in this video I bring some latest collection of beautiful decorated Valentine's Day tie decorations ideas to make your home setting ideas to make your home setting more beautiful and elegant. You can create this sort of beautiful decorative arrangement by creating different floral arrangement or some other creative ideas can be created using this tied cord. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are new viewers to my channel and watching my video for first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the update regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go stray with me and watch this video till the end. I hope we love all these ideas and would love to create them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautiful decorated Valentine's Day tiered core ideas to make your different table setting. At the middle of your table setting, you can create this sort of ideas. Door decorations, you can also choose to create these ideas. Your different living room setting for different side table. Bedroom decor can also be created using this sort of beautiful and elegant tiered decor. Some kitchen decorations.